that combines fitness, community, and advocacy of preventive healthcare. First, we extend our warmest greetings and deepest appreciations to our esteemed guest, Honorable Benji Miranda and Honorable Divine Gracia Miranda, our beloved Mayor and Vice Mayor-elect, and the Honorable members of the Sangguniang Lungsod of Cabancalan, Honorable Joanne Daclan Cagape, and Honorable Adolfo Toto Mangaw. Today is more than just a fun run. It is a celebration of health, awareness, and access, all core values of the Konsulta program or Konsultasyon Sulit at Tama, a benefit package by PhilHealth that aims to provide Filipinos with accessible quality and preventive primary care services. Through this run, we are not only promoting physical wellness, but also reminding every Filipino that healthcare is a right, not a privilege. With Konsulta, we're taking steps, literally and figuratively, toward a healthier and more informed Philippines. To our runners, thank you for showing us your support. To our partners, Pacemaker 6111, Konsulta package providers, Department of Health headed by Mr. Adrian Hort D. Ramos, Development Management Officer 4, Head Provincial CTDOH, Bacolod City, Negros Occidental. Social media influencers, drum beaters, sinulog dancers, and volunteers, madamo na salamat sa inyong malasakit kag pagbulig. Your participation brings this advocacy to life. So let's run with purpose, walk with pride, and move forward together toward a future where quality healthcare is within everyone's reach. Once again, welcome and enjoy the Konsulta Run na. Let's run for PhilHealth and run with PhilHealth. Maraming salamat at mabuhay tayong lahat.
Raffle prizes, patikim po. Meron po tayong tatlong Vomero Nike shoes na ipamimigay sa inyo later on. There you go. So malay mo, nasa 3K. So please, wag po tayo umuwi. Later on, we're going to have the Roleta. So please. And later on po, meron po tayong free coffee. And aton yung water station is on that side. Okay? Pwede natin.
Yeah, so we also have a hydration station.
Hydration station natin nandito po in front of DTI, okay? Wala sa so may kapihan ni Ronnie's, okay? Nasala lang pagbutang sa tarp. Thank you so much. Now, 6 minutes left, 3 km before Consort.
Also, mayroon kita sa snack station. Sir 6 now, right on the left side of the stage na kung natubang kita sa...
There you go. Meron po tayong food and snack station. So come on guys! Sa mga 3KM dyan! Again, ibigyan niyo po ang lahat. Maka-podium po tayo. There you go. Again, we have raffle prizes for you guys. Exciting prizes na ipamimigay. And tatlo dyan ang ating Nike shoes. Vomero.
Ano na, may mag-join, Sir 6 na, so pwede ba?
Yes, sir. Sir Dex.
Sir Boy, mag-join ka?
Kaya wala kita galing race beef, pwede kita una na lang makapili sa gusto natin yung prize.
Correct. Actually, so kung mas bet ko gani, Sir Tony, ka-indra ta sa raffle, no? Kasi para lang sa ating runners. Para sa mga joiners, of course, 5 minutes left.
And also for the runners, for the official runners, we will be capturing your race speed number for you to be considered as an official runner for you to be qualified to claim prizes.
And of course, reminder lang po sa ating 3 km runners, participants. Again, may turning point pa rin po tayo and hydration area is nearby. And also, please, another same instruction lang po, please, hindi natin pag-iaboy sa din lang ang plastic cup nga aton gamit later on. So please, pwede natin mabalik sa table. Thank you so much. 4 minutes left, the runners.
Dali na lang, dali na lang. So, pwede pa kayo gagawa sa mga stretching, no, to avoid injuries, no. And also, again, don't forget that there will be a free...
Di ang simula ng binipisyo sa konsulta, sa bisyo ang kansula ay abot na. Kaya ng check-up, laboratory, gamot at marami pa iba. Para sakit ay maiwasan, PhilHealth konsulta ang kailangan. Ito na ang resulta, konsultasyon sulit at tama. Mas pinalawak na para rin benefit sa lahat ng miyembro ng PhilHealth. Pwede online maparehistro o sa PhilHealth kayo magturo. Sumunod ang tamang proseso, di ang simula ng binipisyo. Sa konsulta, sa bisyo ang kalusulay abot na. Kaya ng check-up,